Hello, this is Chris from Skully's. Today I wanted to show you how I apply beard balm. So today I'm going to be using Timber Beard Balm. First thing I do is I grab my thumb, the back of my thumbnail, and I go ahead and scrape about a thumbnail size dollop. Go ahead and rub it in between your fingers. The beeswax and shea butter is going to break down and turn into the carrier oils. Has a good amount of tackiness. Our beard balms are medium hold. I start at the bottom of my beard. Take another little thumbnail size dollop. Go ahead and work it in the fingers. Heat it up a little bit, get it melted. I go ahead and work it in the sides, work it in the front of my beard. Just make sure it gets all over. Also put a little bit in the mustache. And I grab my Skully's comb. Go ahead and start from the bottom to evenly distribute the beard balm. And go ahead and work it back down from the sides, in the front. Beard balm is going to give your beard some shape, tame the flyaways, and also the carrier oils and the shea butter and the beeswax is also going to moisturize your beard, and the beeswax is going to lock in the moisture as well, and it's going to make your beard soft, smell great. Thank you. Please visit SKULLYCTZ.bigcartel.com. Have a good day.